Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add to cart your stuffs you like in Mango app. So first of all, open the Mango app and you can scroll down and look for the varieties of clothes you like. Also, you can tap on the search bar which is at the top of the screen and enter what you are searching for. Here I'll enter dress so that I'll get to see different kinds of dresses. I'm looking for summer dresses. Now select for any dress. You must tap on the photo. You get to choose different colors and sizes. After that, tap on add, which is beside the size number. Now your item has been successfully added to your cart. If you want to check it, you can go back and tap on the bag icon which is at the bottom middle of the screen. Here your dress has been added, and if you want to order, you can enter your payment details and order. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.